To aid installation, our double doors are now supplied with knockdown frames. Your door will now come supplied with an active and passive door leaf, frame sides and frame top and threshold. Assembling your frame is a simple task. First, lay your 4 frame pieces out flat on the floor in the shape of the frame. Next, fit the sections together. There are channels which allow the pieces to slot together precisely. You may find that the frame needs twisting slightly to allow the frame pieces to sit correctly. Locate the tabs that slot between the frame parts, then, using a hammer or mallet, flatten them down to secure the frame together. Ensure the tabs are bent towards the outer edge of the frame. Repeat this process for the remaining frame parts until fully assembled. The frame will feel flexible at this point. It will become rigid once fitted into the opening. Once the frame is fitted in the opening, you can continue by fitting the passive leaf, active leaf and door cylinder as described in our security door installation video.